have been speaking to my parents through phone calls. Why do they know you? Why do they know that we are dating?
So wait, do you think my parents don't know you?
Bro, that's what you've said.
Everyone knows that actually tumekuwa tukiwa parade hapa kwa hii channel. They actually know you.
Na unasema
kitu unasema ni wanajua, but kuna hiyo aspect ya now this is the person that naeka kwa nyumba.
Why have you not said that?
Hey,
hata unafanya na confuse point yangu. My point was, unajua unafanya nikae mimi ndio whatsoever. Stop giving the face of a good person.
No,
that's what you're giving. No, that's what you're giving.
Mimi kitu nanishangaza ni we actually discussed this.
Mbona saizi tumekuja kwa kamera tena inakaa kama
watu wale tumechanganyikiwa. Unakumbuka
wewe
siku
ndio
tunagize zile
not me. Jumi, I'm simply stating my point. Na hivi ndo unafanyanga, and then people are gonna be like, G ndio mbaya. You see, you're putting on whatever. Watu waone wewe ndo mzuri. But truth be told, mbona at the beginning of this nini umesema ati me by the end of this nini by the if uko ready and you've stopped. Umesema tu umesema sentence kama hiyo. And I've just kept quiet. Now me, I'm here seated saying I feel like I no longer have a social life. Hapa guys, mmesikia tu akisema saizi akinipeleka out ati niko na yeye. Like I can't just be kama siko na wewe all the time. Like you are my boyfriend, yes, but social life with friends. And I've been telling Wanda, you need friends. That's what time nilikuanga na Melody and niko naambia, oh my god, I feel like you should spend much more time with him. Because in as much as we are dating, kila mtu ako na social life. Haiwezi kuwa tu ati babe tunashinda pamoja.
Noted.
And I'm not saying it in a bad way. But me, those are one of the reasons as to why nimeona to quit YouTube. I will literally approach my 30s and have not experienced a lot of things. Mind you guys, I gave birth at an early age, and I'm not saying that in a bad way. I love that. I love the fact that I see my daughter all grown and stuff. But truth be told, there are a lot of things that I missed out during process, kulea Maya and all that. And trust me guys, it has not been easy. Any young mom here can attest to it. Being young and giving birth to a young kid, to a kid, is the most. It is beautiful, yes, but it is the most whatever. Like, it tampers with your head. It like that's a state where you get to like unajisahau wewe mwenyewe as a person and focus everything on this kid. Now my baby is grown.